This is the
ये
world's
दुनिया
rarest
का
and most
सबसे
unique
स्मार्ट
spider, the
मकड़ा
wolf
से।
spider. Unlike other spiders, it doesn't spin webs, but instead chases and catches its prey like a hunting animal. The most interesting thing about it is that the female wolf spider carries her thousands of babies on her back until they are able to walk on their own. It has a total of 8 eyes, 2 large, 2 medium, and 4 small, which together give it the ability to see clearly even in the dark of night. It is extremely agile and fast running, and that is considered its greatest strength. In forests, it is regarded as a powerful predator that hunts on its own.